Case name Muhammad Iqbal, age is 23 years, and today date is 5th of April 2024. Muhammad Iqbal, I want speech sample. Where you live and why you contacted me?
My name is Muhammad Iqbal. I'm from Indonesia. I'm 23 years old, and I have a problem with high pitched voice.
Okay, what happened when you call on the phone?
When people calling me or I get a call from somebody, people suspect me a woman, they call me ma'am, and yeah, it's very confusing for everyone.
Post therapy video of Muhammad Iqbal, and today date is 3rd June 2024. So Muhammad Iqbal, I want speech sample after the voice therapy. Where you stay and what was the problem and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
My name is Muhammad Iqbal. I'm from Indonesia. I'm 23 years old and I have problem with high pitched voice. After this is my new voice after voice therapy with Mr. Sanjay.
So before therapy, what was happening, and after therapy, what is happening, especially on phone call?
Before therapy, when someone call me, they thought I'm a woman. They call me ma'am, and right now, they call me sir.
Okay, thank you so much. You are in Indonesia. I'm in India, Bangalore. So you have shown faith in us. So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Of course.
Okay, thanks for giving the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see the positive changes, like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope and motivation and they can reach to a right place. Just for information, all the session has been given by online method, by online voice therapy. Thank you. Thanks for watching.